Yeah, we are ready. This is my best part. I really love cleaning this car. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel, and today is the day, guys. After a long time searching for the car to start my project, guys, we find the car. Yeah, this is the car we're gonna do a restoring. Before you watching this video, guys, make sure to check my last video which I reviewed this car and explain everything about the car, why we chose. So I was always a big fan of Lexus brand, guys, and this is the first and biggest reason. So I tried my best to walk by myself in this car. Yes, the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna repaint this complete car. Yeah, as you can see, the paint booth also is not too clean, guys. So the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean this area, and of course we're gonna wash the car as well to start our process, guys. So let's go and check this car. This will be the last time you're gonna see this car in this condition. Yeah, if you guys are new in this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video. We're gonna have lots of fun working on this car, guys, and let's go and start this video. We're gonna first thing, guys, to clean this place. It looks so messy, even the car looks so dusty. Let's go and clean this place. Yeah, we are ready. So guys, this is the update. We cleaned the car, and after that it's time to clean the place. Actually, this place been maybe not clean since they built this. Yeah, it's dusty, it's really sticky. I'm gonna have really hard time to clean this place, guys. So now the car is clean, time to clean the place. Yeah. Okay guys, as you saw, it's not easy to clean something, and especially when it's a paint booth, guys. This is not a real paint booth, guys, but I want to mention this. I'm happy what I got, guys. So anyway, still it's not pure clean, but it's fine. Now it's gonna do our job, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open those parts. We have to paint it separately. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open those headlights. Those headlights have to be clean outside. So I'm gonna show you in another video how we're gonna proper clean restore those headlights. Actually, the headlights not clean at all. This side, the left side was a little bit clean, but the main thing, the right side, not to show you how we're going to clean those items as well. And after that, we're going to open the front bumper, we're going to open the stop lights, and of course we're going to open the side mirrors. Now it's time to go work on this Lexus, guys. So first thing, we need to open the bonnet and remove all of those covers. As you can see, the Lexus have lots of covers, but for now we don't want any of them. We're going to open all the covers. So it's kind of even cover, as you can see, it's painted. So 1, 2, 2, 3. ID on the front. So what we need to do, yeah. So we have total. We have to press it hard to. Okay. So I just want to mention this, guys. This is the last generation for the Lexus LS with the V8 engine. So after that, the LS500 doesn't come with the V8 engine. It comes with the 6-cylinder twin turbo and a normal 6-cylinder. So I really miss this engine. I love the V8 engine, the smoothness, how you drive it. But I never tried the 6-cylinder. twin turbo. Hope so that car will be as smooth as V8, but I really love the V8 engine. In upcoming video, hope so there will be a video coming. I'm going to show you how we're going to clean this engine in a good way that doesn't damage anything. This is my tool box. I really love it. Anything I need, it's here. So now it's time to open the complete front bumper. As I mentioned, the car has been lots of crashes, lot of damages. So most of the parts, even the engine, the undercover is not there. So it's very easy to open this bumper. First thing, the clip for the holding the bumper to the fender, it's totally damaged. As you can see, the previous owner had the silicone on it. So we don't want to anything like that. So we have to remove all of those and replace it. So we opened both side bumper. Now it's time to open the grill. So this car is the grill attached to the bumper. Sometimes the grill attached to bonnet, but this one first you have to open the grill to open all the complete bumper. So it's same thing, very easy process. Because this car has been many times open, as you can see, most of the items, most of the bolts, most of the clips are not here. You open it. So for now, the reason I have a scissor, guys, because I tell you there's no any cover under the car. So what I did the last time when I was driving the car, so suddenly on speed 120, sound came and I noticed that the cover for under the car just flied up. So what I do, I stop somewhere and had some wire and I just fix it like that. So now we need to open it. So I need to just do it like that. It's wide. Oh my god, okay, it's hard. So both sides I did this. Oh my god, this is not the way you should fix your car, guys. But that time I don't have any tools, I don't have any items, so I just find a wire and just close it. So now we can remove the bumper very easy. So I think we opened everything except there's two more clips on this side and again on this side. So that'll be easy. What we need to do, just grab it from the middle and this, yeah, this is done. Okay, this is kind of hard. Yeah, anything on this side as well. If you want to work on this cars, don't scare. Sometimes you feel scared, maybe something will broke. No, nothing will break. Okay, that's all. Unattach the wire for the fork lamp. So we did. We need to do the same thing on this side. Okay. The wire for the parking sensor as well. So we're gonna remove that as well. Your power doesn't come on the handy. Yeah, it's easy. So except that, there's nothing. So now, so as you can see, the bumper is kind of heavy because there's a lot of items going on. Only damage is that side. We're gonna fix that as well. So now we have to keep it on the corner. So we'll keep it here right now. And I need to fix this small damage as well. Now it's time to open those headlights. Those headlights is very easy. The total we have two bolts. One will be on this side, one will be on this side, and the other will be on this corner. As you can see, this bolt is already open, not sure why, and even you can see the gap of the headlight and the fender. That's too much, so we need to fix all of those gaps as well. So now we're gonna open the headlights. Time to open all items from the back side of this car. As you can see, we have the tail light. We need to open all of those items, even from the trunk as well, to make it as much as clean paint, guys. So now we're gonna go and open everything from the back side. Let's go. Always there's two bolts. Always there's two bolts. See if the motor is still working or no. Yes, it's working, yeah. We reached to the point to start our sandpapering, guys. So we're gonna start from the bonnet. We check the bonnet properly. The only damage is on this side. So if the cameraman comes this side, yeah. So we need to sandpaper this much. So this will be the place to sandpaper. So I'm gonna now I'm gonna mark all of those places. The first on the bonnet is this area. So move on. We're gonna check the fender. If we see any small dents, I cannot find maybe this part. No, it's fine. Here, as you can see, the small dot in here as well. This is the place. So okay, more of that. There's one small here. Okay, and there'll be more here as well. It's kind of hard to show you all of those marks, so what I'll do, I'll search it without looking at the camera, and I'll finish all of them. Then I'm going to show you which of we have to do a proper sandpaper. Yeah, this is my first time recording and of course working as well to the car. It's kind of hard when you want to walk, then you have to record when you want to record. So today I think we've done a really good work. We opened those items we need to open, and now we just finished the marking the places which we need to do a proper sandpapering, guys. Yeah, so this will be end of this video, and tomorrow I'll be back in here to try to mark all the places which we need to do a sandpaper. If you enjoyed, guys, make sure to like, make sure to leave a comment down below what do you think about this kind of videos. Tomorrow we'll be back here as well. Thank you so much and peace out.